Hello everyone, welcome to St. Joseph's Academy video learning classes. This video is for class 2, subject English 2 Mulberry, chapter number 2, topic The Merchant's Purse, part 2. This video is prepared by Ritu Bishramola. Children, I hope you all are good and safe at your home. So children, today we will do question answers of the chapter The Merchant's Purse. So children, let's recall the summary of this chapter. Once upon a time, a merchant lost his purse. A poor woman found the purse. She opened it and saw that it had 100 gold coins in it. Suddenly, she heard the merchant shout, "A reward! I will give to reward anyone who find my purse." The old lady returned his purse and asked for the reward in return. But merchant refused to give the reward by saying that my purse had 200 coins. You have already stolen more than reward. The lady went to the queen's palace and asked for her help. The queen heard both of them and said that this cannot be merchant purse, as it has only 100 gold coins. So she asked the merchant to return the purse to the lady. Merchant knew that this punishment was given for being dishonest and greedy. Then let's have a glance on word meaning. Our first word is merchant. Merchant means a man who sells things. Next is wandering. Wandering means thinking. Next is greedily. In a way that shows someone wants more and more something. Next, fourth word is stolen. Means taken away. Next is honest. Honest means a person who tells the truth. Next word is palace, a very large house where a king or queen lives. Next word is dishonest, means a person who says things that are not true. So children, let's do fill in the blanks. A part is the merchant lost his purse at the marketplace. B part is the poor old woman found a dash. So children, she found a purse at the marketplace and it had 100 gold coins. Next is C part. The merchant said he would give a dash to anyone who found his purse. So children, the merchant said he would give a reward. Let's do D part. The old woman decided to go to the dash palace and ask for her help. So children, when the poor old woman asked for the reward, the merchant refused. So the old woman decided to go to the queen's palace. Children, let's do reference to context. Here is your purse. She said, "Will you give me my reward?" This line said by an old woman. "Reward," said the merchant, and greedily counting his gold coins. So children, A part is, why did the old woman give the purse to the merchant? Children, the old woman gave the purse to the merchant because she was honest. The poor woman was honest. So, she returned the purse to the merchant. Let's do B part. What did the old woman want from merchant? The old woman wanted her reward from the merchant. C part is, what kind of man was the merchant? So children, the merchant was a dishonest and greedy man. Now children, let's do read, reflect and write. Question number 3. How did the merchant try to cheat the old woman? So answer is by saying that she already took her reward. So the merchant refused to give the reward to the old woman. Question number 4. What happened to the merchant at the end of the story? So children, he was punished for being dishonest. Let's do question number 5. The queen listened to both the merchant and the old woman. What does this tell you about the queen? So children, the queen was just and wise. Let's do question number 6. Children, if you find something in your school and it does not belong to you, what will you do? So your answer must be, I will either hand over it in the office or to my class teacher. So children, this shows your honesty. Children, I hope now all the question answers now clear to you. Complete it in your copy and learn it.